Yes, lad. So today we're going to be fitting this dash cam. Now, I've had this for around a year and I just never could be asked to put it in because I just thought, I'll never need that. But obviously, if you follow Em on Instagram or YouTube, you would have seen that we were both in a car accident and we could have done with a dash cam. So I thought, you know what, it's probably better safe than sorry. So I'm gonna put it in today. It's an easy install, so I thought I'd just film it anyway, just for anyone who is wondering how you put one in, really. So it's basically just one of these. So you find the fuse that you want to use, and then that's for the dash cam, and then that just replaces, and then you put the other fuse back in there that you've taken out, and that goes into the fuse box. Split the power. I'm going to run mine in the rear wiper power because obviously I don't have one anyway, so that's fine. And then yeah, find a ground, wire it up, mount it on the windscreen, and we're done. So let's go. Alright, so I've actually bought a next base hardwire kit. So obviously that goes into the fuse splitter, that's the ground, and then it goes into this little transformer box up there, and then that plugs into the dash cam. So there's more than enough wire. So I'm just gonna obviously run it up here behind this headliner, down there, and then find a little space for it to just slot down there into the fuse box. Fuse box just pops down and is all in there. So we'll just pull one of them out. Right, so I've just stuck that on there, just for temporary. So then I'm gonna wire it in first, and then just do all the wiring at the end and just plug it in. So we know how much like we're playing with and stuff. Right, so what I've done is got another bit of wire, threaded it where I want it. I've tied it to the one that's going, and then I'm just going to pull that through. And I've also just taken off these two trim pieces, just this side bit and there. And then obviously you just want to pull it through with this, and then I'm going to run it up. So I've actually just took this off as well. It's only just a few clips, so I've just pulled it off. Right, so as you can see, the wire is in the headliner, and then it's running down here in between these clips, so that's secure in there, and then it's running down here. We've got absolutely loads extra, like all the way to there, so we'll find a way to like cable it back up with these little things and then make it all tidy and neat. And so we're going to take out number 15, the blue, just there, which is the rear wiper motor. So I'm going to take that out, put that in there, and then plug this back in, and then that will give us power to the dash cam. Just had to nip shop and get these because I don't have a fuse puller. So yeah, fuse is out, and then what you want to do is get the splitter like so, plug that fuse in there, and then plug this back in. Right, so that's plugged in there, so that's going to be plugged back in, and then this just plugs into there, which obviously connects to all of this stuff, which connects up to the power. So I'm going to plug this in and then plug it in the fuse box. So as you can see, there's the new one. So this is another fuse splitter, that's for my air ride, but this is going to be for the dash cam. So that's in now, and then that's got power. And then what we're going to do is ground it to one of these bolts here, to bare metal. So I'm going to undo that, put this spade connector in, and just screw that back up. Right, so that's been grounded there, that's plugged in. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Should be on ignition. Whee! Sorted. Whee! So let's get this tidied up, and we're done. So I've just wrapped all them up. They're just all there. Cable tied up. So that's looking quite neat under there. As you can see, the ground's going that way, live's going that way. I've just hooked it under there, so it's all out the way, your feet. So yeah, next thing, put this trim stuff back together up there and just here and this bit, and we're done. There we go. So dash cam's in, dash cam is on, everything's tidy down there. Yes, so that was quite an easy install. I think this will only be a short video, to be fair, because it's only a quick install anyway. If it helped any of you out, then leave a like, comment down below if you're enjoying the videos. We've got loads of mods on the way. We've got some Maxton side skirts ready to go on there, just sitting here. We've got new discs and pads coming. Well, they're here, they just need going on. A few other bits, getting ready for show season. So yeah, that's gonna give me peace of mind anyway, to know that it's always gonna be filming, and obviously when we do go away, we can get some good driving clips as well, which is a bonus anyway, so it's worth having. I'll leave a link in the description for where it's from. It's only Amazon, I think it's like 23 quid. So if you are looking at getting a dash cam, I've read some good reviews on this one, and yeah, we'll see how it gets on. But it's 1080p, HD, loop recording, all that good stuff. So it's not like pixelated, you know what I mean? So it's going to be a decent camera for what you need it for. Anyway, yeah, so that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, so I'll catch you in the next one.